looking forward to get out of Ethiopia. Behind those two hills is where I slept last night. It was a pretty disgusting place, but the room was big enough so I could pitch my tent and had a quiet night's sleep. And have my helmet on. I will go through some sort of narrow places, sort of canyon, and has been known to throw loads of rocks from the top to hit the cyclist. So better to be safe than sorry. Let's go. One day to the border. Salam. Salam. Always be prepared. I saw you fucking have a rock in your hand. ABC, always be prepared. That rock reminds me of Colombia, Guatepe, El Peñón. Very good memories. Un saludos a todos los amigos, los parce, los parceros de Colombia. Salam. Going up. Let's see if I can grab a trailer. But there is nothing in sight. Off, my leg hurts. Morning is always difficult for some reason. Salam. No, I'm okay. Yeah, that's how you do it, guys. That's taking a page from Alastair Humphreys, The Rules of Bike Traveling. Surfing the trailers is allowed because it's not easy, and yeah, it's harder than it looks because all the weight is attached to your arm. Sometimes only a few fingers, depending on the attachment point, and it's tough. It's tough on your back muscles as well, shoulders. And your chance in your life anyway. When it's this low, no. But then when it sometimes between hills, they go around 60, 70. It can get pretty dangerous, considering that in these countries the truck's tires, they explode on a regular basis. If a tire was to explode now, one of the back ones, the chances of die are very high. So that's the risk, just to make a few more kilometers or to ease the pain of going up. Salam. Salam. Now there are loads of weapons in this area, but there is also loads of military controlling them, which is pretty good, because only 2 months ago people were killing each other here. I feel a bit safer. It's now 9 kilometers to the little village where I should be able to find some sort of accommodation so I can lock myself in for the night and I should be fine. Only problem is it's 9 kilometers of hills, so there's that big hill there. It should be like 3 kilometers to get there, and then there is another one longer to get to the village itself, and I should be done for the day. It's 4:45. I have 1 hour and 15 minutes to do these 9 kilometers. Otherwise I'll be in the dark, which is not good in this region. Not good. I think I'm on top. You can see the view there. 140 kilometers to the border with Sudan. I guess this is the last day cycling in Ethiopia, and probably the last night, because probably I'll have to sleep in Ethiopia. But I'm really glad to leave this country. It's probably the only country of the 24-25 countries that I crossed that I'm not sad to leave. Really, I have no regrets. I'm looking forward to get out of Ethiopia. Yoo-hoo! The last day of Ethiopia. Thank God! Thank God I'm leaving this country. Salam! I'm really... think it's the aftermath of the tribal fights.
Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
What do you mean?
Yeah?
What do you mean?
How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. Yourself?
Yeah?
Yourself? How are you?
English cannot speak?
English, I can speak, yeah.
Yeah. Where are you from?
From,
From Gondar?
yes.
Hey.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yesterday I slept, Aikel, no? Aikel?
I can what?
That's where I slept.
Oh, okay.
The
Sport?
villa.
Huh?
The villa.
Hey. Shit. Go.
Now I go to Sudan.
Sudan?
Yes.
Sudan. Sudan. How time?
It should be
6.
170 kilometers.
70 kilometers?
Matema.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good.
Go.
Is that where I can buy a Coca-Cola here? Coca-Cola? No. Coca-Cola? Sprite?
Right?
Yeah, no?
In this area? Yeah.
Where?
Done.
The next village?
Wow.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Ciao. Is that Coca-Cola? Coca-Cola? Cold? You sell, yeah? You sell Coca-Cola?
Yes.
Okay, can I have one? One, please? One Coca-Cola.
Yes. Angela Cocan.
Okay. But cold fridge?
كذا تغيرني كيلو
No, don't touch. How much? How much?
How much?
No, please don't touch. Don't touch, guys. So, how much? How much? 5. Okay.
Spazi,
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Where are you go?
Sudan. Bye.